Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making a Paul Newman cake, or this is also known as a better than anything cake. This cake is sweet and delicious, and it's great for the holidays, potlucks, or any get-togethers. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need either a German chocolate cake or a devil's food cake. You can either make one from scratch, or you can use a box cake mix like I'm using. And I just prepared this according to package directions in a 9 by 13 inch pan. When your cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and poke holes into the cake. And I'm just using the handle of a wooden spoon. Now pour one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk evenly over the top. Then pour a 14 to 17 ounce jar of either caramel or butterscotch topping over the top. Now let this cool some and then place it into the refrigerator to cool completely. Once your cake is cool, top it with 8 ounces of Cool Whip or some kind of whipped topping. Then crush some Heath bars, or you can use toffee bits, and sprinkle it over the cake. You can use as much as you like. Now just chill this in the refrigerator before serving. And here it is, Paul Newman Cake. Be sure to store this in a covered container in the refrigerator. And this cake tastes even better the next day. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I just prepared this according to the package directions. And I'm just using the end of a spoon, wooden spoon, the handle of a wooden spoon. And I'm then crush some and be sure, and this tastes, oh no, that doesn't sound right either.